नमस्कार, मैं सीए मनमोहन जिंदल, IBBI registered valuer in security and financial assets from Mumbai. We shall discuss today increment in the policy repo rate under Liquidity Adjustment Facility, called LAF. So, on the basis of assessment in the current and evolving macroeconomic situations, RBI wide 2022 and 23147 dated 7/12/2023 means today has increased the policy repo rate under the liquidity adjustment facility by 35 basis points from 5.90% to 6.25% with immediate. Consequently, the standing deposit facility rate and marginal standing facility rate stand adjusted to 6% and 6.5% respectively. It is also with immediate effect. These decisions are in consonance with the objective of achieving the medium-term target of consumer price index inflation of 4% within a band of plus or minus 2%, while supporting growth. Means growth रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. तो इन्फ्लेशन CPI इन्फ्लेशन कंज्यूमर प्राइस इन्फ्लेशन 2% भी हो सकता है और 6% भी हो सकता है. So assessment of global economy is that the global economic outlook is skewed to the downside. Global growth is set to lose momentum as monetary policy actions tighten financial conditions and as consumer confidence weakens with the rising cost of livelihood. Inflation remains elevated and persistent across countries. Domestic economy assessment is that inflation has ruled at or above the upper tolerance band since January 2022, and core inflation is persisting around 6%. Inflation is expected to remain above and close to the upper threshold in Q3 and Q4, means 22-23. It is likely to moderate in 23-24, but will still remain well above the target. Accordingly, the MPC decided to increase the policy repo rate by 35 basis points to 6.25%. It is a monetary tool in the hands of RBI to control the inflation. So what are the effects? Increased borrowing cost. जैसे पहले भी किया गया है और देखा गया है, जब पिछली बार पॉलिसी रेट चेंज हुए थे तो बैंकों ने रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट लेंडिंग के बढ़ा दिए. Increased repo rate means an upstick in the cost of borrowings. बैंकों के रेट बढ़ जाएंगे. Because the lending rates are linked with the repo rates and borrowing cost for banking institutions also rises, which is passed on the account holders in the form of higher loan and deposit interest rate. इससे मेरा मानना है कि आने वाले समय में बैंकों के शेयर में गिरावट भी देखी जा सकती है, क्योंकि डिफॉल्ट बढ़ने का खतरा भी बढ़ जाता है, एनपीए बढ़ने का खतरा बढ़ जाता है और लेंडिंग भी स्लो हो जाती है. ईएमआई फॉर लोन्स टू शो. बैंकों में क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट रेट बढ़ जाएंगे, इसलिए प्रेजेंट लोगों की ईएमआई भी बढ़ जाएगी, जो कि कस्टमर की जेब पे भारी पड़ेगी और नए होम बायर्स का ऑप्टिमिज्म भी थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. इतने महंगे रेट पर कोई आदमी नया घर खरीदना नहीं चाहता. इससे रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर में भी थोड़ा मद्दा आने का खतरा बना रहता है. लोग कम परचेज करते हैं गुड्स और सर्विसेज. इवन दो रेपो रेट हाइक्स आर नेसेसरी टू कॉम्बैट इन्फ्लेशन, these consecutive rate hikes in a short period of time will unintendedly have an adverse impact on the economic growth in the country. क्योंकि लोगों प्राइस बढ़ जाते हैं, लोगों की इनकम घट जाती है, तो लोग कम परचेज करना पसंद करते हैं. People will buy fewer goods and services because of it, which will affect demand. Growth is slowed by this. As a result, goods and services are no longer affordable to poor segment of society. It gets more expensive for everyone. Impact of saving and fixed deposit rate. As seen in the past, bank when increasing the lending rates, they also increase the deposit rates also. So these increased rates are beneficial for such consumers who have savings and fixed deposits. Stagnant growth, jobless, and rising inflation. It could be the reason of stagflation. Stagflation refers to stagnant growth, high unemployment, and persistent inflation. So this is from my side. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.